I will be a construction worker for a day. Oh my gosh, I'm already tired! Grabe, I will lose weight today. Wow! Pero, kuya, ang ganda yung buhok mo. Anong shampoo? Hello mga patatas! Welcome back to my channel. This is Kristypata aka Kristypata, your favorite Koreana girl. So today is one hot day in the Philippines as usual. Today I'll be trying and experiencing something special in the Philippines. I will be a construction worker for a day. So yeah guys, I'm gonna be a construction worker. So there is a construction site near our house, and seeing them work hard like this every day, it made me realize I have to try this. We all know construction workers in the Philippines are very essential to our lives. All the bridges, schools, malls, and even our own houses are built by construction workers. That's why I also wanted to experience their blood, sweat, and tears of the Filipino construction workers, and also learn their passion to live. So now let's get to work because I'm very late, guys. So look at them, they're working already. Let's go! Tara na! So syempre guys, safety first. And it's very hot in the Philippines, as you know, 35 degrees. Hindi kasya. Paano to? Like this? Maganda? Maganda. So, magiging construction worker ako ngayon. May advice kayo sa akin? As a beginner. Kasi syempre, beginner ako. Baka may accident ka nun. Walang advice? Good luck. Good luck. So, kuya, anong process to? We will put sand here and then go there? Ah, okay. Kuya, no, yes ma'am. I'm your friend, kaibigan, okay? I'm construction worker, kuya. Anong yes ma'am? Ay, ang bigat! Let's go! Oh my gosh, I'm already tired! Obstacle! Obstacle! Oh. Hello po! Ano? I think I'm already tired. One more time. Like that? No, yes ma'am, kuya! Kristi!
달리!
So we're giving the cement to the upper floor. Ganito. Manual. Okay na, kuya. So I will carry the cement to the upper floor with my body force. 오! 대박! 뭔가 아찔해. 오! 장난 아니야! 오! Let's go! Grabe, I will lose weight today. You know? Okay, so now we're gonna go upstairs and find some job to do. The foreman has a work for me there. Init, kuya!
Pagod?
So ano po yung job ko, kuya? So I have a new job. I have to move the hollow blocks to this place, yeah. Let's do it. Because I'm good at carrying, guys. Because I'm good at carrying, guys. Where? 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 Saan? Dito, dito? Dito? Ang bigat! Oh Lord! Oh! Wow! Boy, remember na ito, 이거 조금만. 뭐야, 아령보다 힘든데? How many kilogram is this one?
Maybe A.
Sipag. I'm not taking a rest. I'm just taking a break.
One eternity later.
Break time! Break time! Yes, break time! Kuya, break time daw! Break time. So, we will go down and take some break, and then after that, when is the finish of break time, Kuya? Anong oras? 30? Makaling ako. Mountain Dew! I have no money.
utang, it's okay, utang.
Ate, pwede pa utang? Ha? Pwede pa utang? How much? Walang pera ako eh. Later, I will get my salary and then I will... Wow, salamat.
Is it good?
Yeah, refreshing. I have no friend. Wala po akong kaibigan, guys. Walang kaibigan ako, Kuya. Walang kaibigan, no? I'm a loner.
Next time, dalawa lalaki.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
My mom said you're Tarzan, Kuya. Pero, Kuya, ang ganda yung buhok mo. Anong shampoo? Sunsilk?
You know Catholic?
Yeah.
Papa Jesus.
My mom said you climb coconut like this, like Tarzan. I was in Korea last week. She said, Christy, we have Tarzan in our house. I said, ano Tarzan? Ikaw pala yun. Pero mukhang Koreana siya, loko. Parang Koreana, K-pop idol, no? Next time, I should learn coconut climbing. Kuya, coconut climbing. I will learn. Kaya ba? So the first job I'm gonna do after taking a break is mixing the cement for the mason. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, that's mason, guys. I don't know what's that in English. Anyways, we have to make a shape daw kasi the water should be in here para it's easier to mix. Now we have to add water, guys. So, carefully. Parang easy sa'yo, Kuya. Parang easy sa'yo, pero sa akin, oo, sobrang mabigat.
Oh, good. Oh, good neighbor.
We can't stop working. Now I'm gonna move the hollow blocks again to the CR area. It's getting hot in here. They hold it like this? How? So now I'm gonna check on our lunch. Yeah, because we have a chef here. So let's check it out. Excuse me, Kuya. Hello po. I'm construction worker today, kuya. So, sali ako sa lunch, ha? Sinigang, no?
Apo.
Yes. Wow, very local. Wow. 헐, 열기가 장난이 아니야. Oh, so hot. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. And I know, guys, sinigang in these very local places are more delicious than the one you can buy in the restaurant. Yeah, for me, ha? So it's lunchtime, guys. I'm gonna remove my hat for a while. Oh, the best. So ugly. Oh, Philippine box. Wow. Yeah, I like ulay. Can I join there? Here? Hey, bilang tayo. Why you are so shy, kuya? Anong pangalan? Edward. Why did you come to... You're from Bicol, right?
Experience, ma'am.
Experience. Kuya Tarzan.
Tarzan.
Wow, daming rice! Wow! Pero hindi marunong, super, not marunong, just so guys, they are all from Bicol. Yeah. So, marunong ka na magluto ng Bicol Express? Bicol Express?
Ito naman, marunong naman ito lahat.
Kasi I love Bicol Express. Taka Bicol yan?
Bicol.
So guys, it's almost the end of the day. It's almost 5 p.m. which is the end time of this work. And it's extremely hot even at 4:30 right now. And today is also their payday. So I'm gonna get paid as well as daily wage. So very excited ako, guys. Yes, salary time!
Salary time! Christy!
Hi! Yes. Sign here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes!
One day. Emerson!
So guys, I'm finally done with my work today. It's equivalent to one meal I always take outside in the restaurant, and I think I learned a new lesson that I was having a too comfortable life. When I worked with my own body, my own time, I think I realized more, and I super respect the workers here who came all the way to Angeles City from Bicol to support their family, their loved ones way back home. This construction work is such a dangerous and physically demanding work, but it's really amazing how they bear that every day for their loved ones. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you also learned some lesson like me. There might be more series with the Bicol Kuyas. Yeah, so please stay tuned, guys, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye. I have to take a bath, mommy. Mommy, I'm very tired.